Welcome to Singing with Ron! Welcome back, and in this next video I want to show you an exercise that I developed for my students, and I've called it the evolution of breathing. And I've taken it from Pilates, and it's something that I do at the beginning of most of my lessons with my students now. So what I want you to do first is feel like you're below your belly button, that you're squeezing in like you're doing up a tight pair of pants. So it's just localized in that one spot. And you're squeezing in maybe like 70–60%. And then what I want you to do is lean forward like this, and then in the next, then what I want you to do is take a breath into your back, into your sides, and into your chest, keeping it engaged where your belt buckle is, or your where you're squeezing to do up your tight pair of pants. So keep that engaged on both the inhale and the exhale. Yeah, so there you go. Let your head relax down. And really feel the breath into your back, into your sides, and in your chest. This is important, because this is what will help you to engage all of your abs in a balanced, dynamic way for singing, for support, so that one set of abs is not overworking and the other ones are not. So there we go. So that's engaged. Good. And then the next stage is to come up halfway, so you're like partly evolved towards the 21st century. So keep your knees bent, keep this engaged down here, keep this, keep your arms floppy. Think about your chest is open a little bit, or your ribs through here, not your chest, I guess. So, and then breathe into your back, sides, and your chest, keeping this engaged, keeping your belt buckle engaged, and breathe out. Inhale. This is going to come out a little bit on the inhale. And then you exhale. And then the last step is to be almost fully human. But you want to keep your knees soft. So keep your knees soft. And then breathe, keep this engaged, breathe into your back, your sides, your chest. Good. And so that is to help you to feel this feeling of breathing in a standing position. What we tend to do as 21st century humans is to lock our knees, and our posture gets all bad and out of shape, and then our breath doesn't work properly. But when we bend our knees a little bit, engage here, breathe into our back, our sides, and our chest. And when I say back, I mean right about here. Then you get this nice supportive inhale. Thank you.